The ProCutter ProCutter app 2.0, Android, shows the laser head condition during operation and queries any error messages. The app is available in the Google Play Store. The app connects via Wi-Fi. Therefore, turn on your phone's Wi-Fi, flight mode and location services, but turn off mobile data to connect. Find the cutter's serial number in the app, click to connect, and enter the 5-digit password, case sensitive, found on the cutter's label. After connecting, choose User or OEM mode. User mode requires no password. OEM mode uses password 76571. The ProCutter app 2.0 shows the laser head condition during operation and queries any error messages. Lower protection window temperature, collimation temperature, focus temperature, cutting head temperature, humidity, cutting gas pressure, lower protection window leak pressure. Actual focus position, setting focus position, focus offset, scattered light, lower protection window and protective window of focus lens contamination value, upper protective window contamination value, power level. Fault display shows detailed alarm information. I/O tab indicates the status of some pins. To record, access the settings via the top left 3-bar icon. Start recording data by clicking Log File Record. Keep the screen on and avoid switching apps during recording. Use data logs to troubleshoot if cutting head alarms. Trigger alarms after starting the recording. After multiple alarms, stop recording and save the data with naming. The recorded CSV file can be viewed via your phone's file manager. Find the file in the Download ProCutter folder. You can also view the cutting head data yourself. If the value in Error I/O column is not 0, this indicates an alarm. The ProCutter 2.0 app can set alarm thresholds for temperature, humidity, air pressure, and scattered light. In OEM mode, access settings via the top left 3-bar icon. The lower the alarm threshold is set, the safer it is, but it also triggers the alarm more easily. User and OEM values must be same.